So to begin this path, the second step was to look at each stakeholder group and decide what content was appropriate for that group in the situation they currently are in. And that includes all 7 of the stakeholder groups that I described earlier. So we began the process of taking our library and organizing it to align with each of these groups, and I'm going to share that with you. So the first group that we organized was for the employers, and in both states, state leadership stepped forward, representatives from state workforce development departments and state groups that represent manufacturing in each state, like the Connecticut Center for Advanced Technology, Connexus, Indiana, the Connecticut MEP. These people came together and in less than 2 weeks curated our library for the manufacturing sector representatives in their state. So in Connecticut, within 2 weeks, we had a group of courses, or what we call learning paths, 19 different programs for the aerospace manufacturing in Connecticut, ranging from lean manufacturing to welding and everything in between. And then Connecticut also organized 13 programs for basic manufacturing skills to help people who had never worked in the manufacturing sector acquire their first job as a manufacturing production technician. So again, from basic manufacturing and life skills, math skills, safety skills, career building, personal finance, industrial automation. But within 2 weeks, we had 32 groups of courses curated and ready to hit the street on behalf of the manufacturing community and people seeking employment therein. In Indiana, a very similar model, but Indiana Department of Workforce Development, working with Indiana manufacturing representatives, curated 13 programs for Indiana employers. So we have 5 that are very specific to entry-level jobs in manufacturing. Indiana went a little broader outside the manufacturing sector and organized learning pathways for Microsoft Office skills and basic employability skills to really reach more people across more industry sectors in the state. And again, all of these learning paths on the last 3 slides were organized by the states and their partners in less than 2 weeks. And then for the employers, we took it one step further. So employers who have special needs, specialized skills, specialized job descriptions for whom those predefined learning paths don't apply can take our library any day of the week from now until eternity and organize it exactly as they see fit. So we enabled the employers to be able to go in, drag and drop courses into programs of study that align specifically with exactly what they're doing inside that company at the pre-hire level, incumbent worker training level, company-wide level, and there's no limit for the employers to the number of learning programs they can create and distribute within their organization. So again, they can choose from the prescriptive programs as defined by state leadership, or they can organize it as they see fit internally.